Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set up alerts on Ziprecruiter. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter job seeker account, which of course I've done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. Its AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to set up alerts on Ziprecruiter. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have this three dots menu. So click on that and you have this extended menu that says resume, job alerts, notifications, account settings, mobile app, blog, support and sign out. So go ahead and click on job alerts. So here you can update the info used to determine the jobs in your daily job alerts emails. And to manage email settings, subscription status, please use the notification page. So here's how you can set your job alert. So this is the first category is job title matching. You can set up a job alert based on your activity or based on job titles you select. The next is location matching. You can set up your alert based on your activity or based on the location you select. And then the next is salary matching. We'll try to prioritize jobs that meet your pay preferences. This info is not shared with employers and it is only used to improve your job matches. So click on this minimum desired pay and set this to your minimum desired pay. Now I'd like you to know that based on your activity, your apply, click and search activity will determine your matches in alert. And then if you use based on job titles I select, Ziprecruiter will only use job titles you enter to determine your matches in alert. Then the location matching. Your apply, click and search activity will determine the location of your matches in alert. Then if you do based on the location you select, it will use the locations you enter to determine your matches in the alert. So this is pretty much how you can set up alerts on Ziprecruiter. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.